maybe, maybe,
maybe, maybe,
possibly,
Maybe we're too early. Maybe they'll come tomorrow. Maybe you were right after all.
used to politely suggest something.
Maybe Ted would like to go. Maybe we should start again.
including, including,
Inclusion, include, inclusive.
Used to show that a person or thing is part of a larger group, amount, or process.
8 people, including 2 children, were injured in the explosion. It's £24.99, including postage. At.
Used to show the cause of something, especially a feeling.
We were surprised at the news. I was quite excited at the prospect. Why does no one ever laugh at my jokes?
As much as, or more than, a number, amount, distance, etc.
It will cost at least £500. You'll have to wait at least an hour.
Program, program,
Program, programming, programmer.
A series of instructions which can be put into a computer in order to make it perform an operation.
A computer program. She's written a program to find words which frequently occur together.
railway, railway,
The system of transport which uses trains, or the metal tracks on which trains run.
A railway line or station. The Trans-Siberian Railway.
luggage, luggage,
Luggage. Luggage.
Bags and cases that you carry with you when you are traveling.
Never leave your luggage unattended. Hand luggage.
to bring, to bring,
Bring. Bring. Brought, brought.
To take someone or something with you when you go somewhere.
Shall I bring anything to the party? Oh, just a bottle. Bring me that knife or bring that knife to me. Did you bring an umbrella with you?
paper, paper,
Paper. Paper.
Part of an examination.
Candidates must answer 2 questions from each paper.
balloon, balloon,
A small, colored rubber bag that you blow air into or fill with air until it is round in shape, used for decoration at parties or as a children's toy.
We tied balloons and streamers to the ceiling ready for the party.
spring, spring,
spring, spring,
Spring. Spring.
The season of the year between winter and summer, when the weather becomes warmer and plants start to grow again.
Spring flowers or weather. Many bulbs flower in the spring. Janet's coming over for a couple of weeks next spring.
aged, aged,
aged, aged,
Age, ages, aged.
Of the age of.
They've got one daughter, Isabel, aged 3. Shut, shut, shutting, shut, shut.
To close something, or to become closed.
Please shut the gate. I've got a surprise for you. Shut your eyes tightly and hold out your hand. Mary shut her book and put it down on the table.
When a shop, restaurant, etc. shuts, it stops serving customers and does not allow people to enter.
The shops shut at 8 o'clock on Wednesday evenings.
To build. To build.
Build, build, builder, building, build, rebuild. Built, built.
To make something by putting materials and parts together.
They're building new houses by the river. These old houses are built of stone. Contractors have started building on wasteland near the town.
Midday. Midday.
midday, midday,
Day, midday, daily, daily.
12 o'clock in the middle of the day, or the period around this time.
I just have a sandwich at midday or for my midday meal. The heat of the midday sun.
decide, decide,
Decision, decide, decisive, decisively.
To choose something after thinking about several possibilities.
They have to decide by next Friday. I don't mind which one we have, you decide. In the end, we decided to go to the theater.